Welcome to Bali.
Yeah,
Give me
thank
voice,
you.
brother. Wow.
Oh, you do the TikTok.
Beautiful. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Woo. Welcome to Bali.
Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Padma Bali on Padma Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hey today. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Padma Bali on Padma Street. And our journey today start from the west part, exactly the front Bali Mandira until to the east part, the end on Padma Street. Okay, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Yeah, as I told you, I will make videos start from exactly at the front Bali Mandira. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is the sign of Bali Mandira. Bali Mandira, yeah, and around 300 meters, that is Legian Beach over there. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow. Busy. That's good. And as I told you, I will make videos start from Bali Mandira, from the west part, on Padma Street until east part. Let me show you how busy Padma Bali today. Yeah. Okay. I hope the quality camera is good. This is because it's like not much light. Now it's in the afternoon. This is 6 p.m. in Padma Bali today. Let me show you how busy in this area today. Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Yeah,
Give me
thank
voice,
you.
brother. Wow.
Oh, you do the TikTok.
Beautiful.
Hello.
Oh, YouTube. Yeah, I will make video until the end on Padma Street at the east part. Let me show you how busy Padma Bali today. Woo. TikTok. I'm not active in TikTok yet. Maybe soon. Hello. Yeah, at the left side there is Padma Beach Resort. Big resort in Padma Legian, Bali. This is the main gate to go to Padma Beach Resort. Wow. Nice hotel. And this restaurant. Welcome to Bali. Let me show you where the main road. This main gate over there. Wow. It's quite hard to walking up there. Actually, I want to show you how how look like the restaurant over there. And left side, this is Ngakan restaurant. And usually I was busy over there too. Busy soon because dinner time is coming soon. Woohoo. This is Fresco restaurant. Future is over there. It's good and quite busy inside. That's really good. Busy, isn't it? Yeah, future is over there. It's good. Let's cross the street. Hello, brother. Welcome to Bali. Wow. Let's cross the street. This is Ngakan restaurant. See? Futurist inside over there. It's good. And if I turn left, there is the way to go to Padma Utara Street. And Y bar is just at the left side over there. Y bar is over there. And this is Poser Pub. Also Legian. It's quite busy, it's good. Wow. No worries, mate. Easy, mate. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Padma Street and let's see together how busy is this area today. Whew. Maybe at 108 Sport Bar, it's busy over there. Yeah, Futurist just having shopping there at Mini Mart. Not bad. Yeah, left side there's the hotel and also Futurist over there actually. Woo. Well, actually it's in this junction always busy and always a lot of trade, but today not really busy. Across the street, yeah, Rama Garden. Also at the Rama Garden, usually I was busy over there. Maybe now they are going to the beach to see the sunset. Even the weather is not so clear, yeah, in this afternoon. Wow, so hot, man. Maybe I talk so fast. I will learn how to talk slower. Not so busy yet. Woo. Okay, now we are nearby 108. Let's see together how busy over there today. This is Sushi Kasha restaurant. Across the street, yeah, Futurist at the restaurant over there.
Hello.
Welcome to Sushi Kasha.
Welcome to Sikasa.
Japanese restaurant, authentic restaurant.
Authentic Japanese restaurant.
And this is mozzarella. Not so busy yet at the restaurant because dinner time is coming yet, but will coming soon. This is mozzarella restaurant, and the next we have 108 Sport Bar. Oh, hello, welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
Where do you come from, brother?
Finley.
Huh?
New South Wales, Finley.
Oh, wow, beautiful country over there.
Yeah, unreal.
Enjoy your holiday, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, cheers, yeah. Wow. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Hello, boss. Yeah, Futurist inside, but not really busy actually. Maybe busy soon. Woo. Welcome to Bali. Party, party, party. Enjoy, yeah? Wow. Let's cross the street. Maybe in this side is more tourists. It's Magroima. Haven't played music in this sport bar. Whoa. Futurist over there is good. At the sport bar. Woo. What do you think about this area? Usually in this area also busy. A lot of tourists doing shopping, but today let's see together. Wow, so quiet, isn't it? Really sad. And as usually I make video without skip because I want to show you the real session at the moment in Bali at the moment. Maybe they are doing shopping at Legian market, so that's why on this area is get quiet. But maybe at the art market busy over there, and also at the sport bar. Oof.
Itu saya baru. Jadi masih nampak yang ori.
Padma Bali.
Kayak tulisan apa? Kalau angker Balinya? Iya. Bisa kan dikit-dikit ya.
Wow, busy. That's good. Ooh. And as they clear the front, there is Momo's Sport Bar. Maybe it's over there. Wow. Oh, sorry, what? Momo's Sport Bar. Wow, quite busy inside. Wow. That's good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Chinese restaurant. Chinese food, authentic. Enjoy your holiday. Wow, a lot of tourists, they're having early dinner. So today over there is good. Chinese restaurant. Full of tourists over there is good. Yeah, this is Royal Legian Street. As I told you, I will make video until the end on Padma Street. Yeah. And this is Royal Legian Street. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Padma Bali on Padma Street. So what do you think? No, really busy, isn't it? Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the best fashion at the moment in Padma Bali. And don't forget to do that because I will update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woo. See? empty. Why? Why it's empty? Really, isn't it? Is it driver? Bloody wanker driver. Dropping on the sidewalk. Crazy.